Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Watson Realty Corp, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Watson Realty Corp login and press enter. From the search results, locate and click on the official Watson Realty Corp website link. Once the website loads, look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will be presented with fields to enter your credentials. In the first field, input your registered email address. In the second field, enter your password associated with the account. Ensure your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link beneath the password field. Click on Forgot Password and follow the prompts to reset your password. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. Once all information is entered, click on the Login button. After a brief moment, you should be directed to your Watson Realty Corp dashboard. If you encounter any errors, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance. Congratulations, you are now logged into your Watson Realty Corp account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.